Hi there. In today quick bits, we are going to discuss about basic data types supported in Python. Already we discussed how to create a variable in Python and how we can use the variables inside program. Those things we already discussed. Um, Python basically supporting list of data type, but as a developer, you don't need to worry. You just need to store the data. Just for our understanding, string is one of the data, integer, float, complex, and Boolean is the other list of data which Python is supporting. See, you want to store names. Say, for example, you just need to have that name assigned to one variable. Okay, so automatically that particular string gets stored into name without specifying any data type or mapped into, but internally it will create it. We'll see that. Next one is suppose you want to store some countable numbers. Okay, there you need to use that integer variable. That again, the compiler will take it. Just you need to assign the integer number into variable. Like that, if you have a float in real time, float is mostly the mathematical calculation. The float will be output, or something like is some measurement, height, weight, and all will come as a float, fraction numbers. So there we need to use float variable, but automatically it will get created. The complex number, way to use complex number, actually speaking, in most of the business application, we won't be using complex number, but there are places complex number which we need to use. Suppose you are writing a program which is interacting with the electric devices. There you need to use complex number, because a complex number will store a negative, this complex part, I mean imaginary part will try to store negative current and a positive current in the real number, something like that, which we need to use. So that is the reason Python is supporting complex number. Okay. The Boolean number, computer is built on actually the logical gates. So, you need to store either true or false. So, there you need the Boolean variable. But uh, even though you do not use a logical calculation, but sometime, in the business programming also, we will use binary. Say for example, the person is completed or not, those kind of state we can store in a binary. So there we can use Boolean variable. Okay. How to see that? Already we seen this, how to check variable data type. The function is called type, so that also we'll see today also. Okay. I'll move to compiler. Okay, already I have created this program, so I will copy from the previous program code. I don't want to retype, so I will take this. See here, as I told, like these are the variables which I created. Suppose I want to create a complex number, so I'm creating 10 plus 11 G. That is the one thing, and whether the person is pass or fail. Flag. See, I will explain later how we can use mm, comparison and logical operators and all, but today just I directly write the code. Like 50 means pass and mark 2 greater than 50. If he is getting 50 in both subject, he will pass, something like that. So I'll display that also here. And here also we can. Okay. So I'll run this program, then you'll understand. See, the string variable, integer variable, float variable, and Boolean variable. Oh, I didn't display the complex number. I will display the complex number also. Also display type of numbers. Okay, I'll rerun this program. Okay, the complex number. It's created internally as a complex number. Yeah, today's session we discussed basic data types supported in Python. In upcoming session, we'll discuss more about operation with these data. Okay, thanks for your time. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.